How to balance transfer on Capital One credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can balance transfer on Capital One credit card. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Capital One app. After you there, select your card from which you want to balance transfer. So select the card. After you select the card, you should see your card details, your scheduled payments and stuff like that. So from here, you will need to scroll down a bit until you find an option that says special offers or balance transfer. Tap on view all, whichever you find, and there you will find an option which you can balance transfer with. So select the balance transfer offer and tap on select offer. After you do that, you can then follow the prompts to transfer the balance on Capital One credit card. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.